In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Wix website quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.wix.com. Once the page has loaded, you should see the main Wix homepage. Here, you'll find a menu at the top right corner. Click on the Log In button. This will direct you to the sign-in page where you can access your account. Now, you've got a couple of options to proceed with your login, depending on how your account is set up. If you've registered your Wix account using an email, you'll want to enter your email address in the provided field. Make sure to type it in correctly to avoid any login hiccups. For those of you who might find it more convenient, Wix also offers the option to log in using Google. There's a Continue with Google button right beneath the email entry field. By clicking this, you can link directly to your Google account, saving some time if you use Google services frequently. For this tutorial, let's go through the process using the email option. After typing in your email address, click on the Continue with Email button. If by any chance you receive an error message, double-check that your email is entered properly. Sometimes a simple typo can cause a lot of confusion. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Take your time, ensure your caps lock isn't on unless your password requires it, and type in your password. If you happen to have forgotten your password, there's usually a Forgot Password link you can click to go through the recovery process. Assuming you've entered everything correctly, the final step is to click on the Log In button. And there you have it. After a moment, you should be logged into your Wix account and see your dashboard where you can manage your websites and projects. A quick reminder, regularly updating your password and using a strong password combination is beneficial for security purposes. And if you ever encounter any issues during this process, consider clearing your browser's cache or trying a different browser. With these steps, accessing your Wix websites becomes a seamless experience. Thanks for following along, and feel free to revisit these steps if you need a refresher in the future. Happy designing and managing your web presence with Wix.